My biggest feeling is, and the emotion behind a lot of people in the manufacturing sector now, is they need to gain control themselves. Small businesses, medium businesses, large business, they need to bring as much of the production back in-house as they can, because relying on the mass production like we knew it, with global events, with supply chain getting difficult, with freight even around the country, let alone internationally getting difficult, companies, the users, the owners, the operators, they all want to do more themselves. They just need to be empowered to do it. So if I was to define the fourth, industry 4.0, how I would describe it is mass production has disappeared, it's not as we know it, and we were bringing smaller machining and manufacturing back in-house. What 4.0 missed out on, and why we've seen the fifth wave and the fifth revolution come around, what I think to be rather quickly, probably before its time, but it's because 4.0 missed out on it so much, was empowering the people. What we found at that show in Sydney only a few months ago, Australian Manufacturing Week, is the people were crying out to be empowered somehow. Give me the tools to do what I need to do, please. I can't find anything else. I need help. I need the right tool for the right job. It needs to be easy to use. I need to be able to train my staff up on how to do it. The interface needs to be good. It needs to be easy to set up. It needs to be small. It needs to be flexible. If I can move it around my workshop along with my other tooling, but it can still do the job, this is all a key feature. So Industry 5.0 to me is all about empowering the people, and it couldn't come at better timing with the range of machines we've got together with 5.0 robotics. Is the whole vision behind 5.0 robotics is empowering the people. We've got the tool. We always had the tool. We've had the tool for the last 2-3 years with the machine lines we have developed, and now the key focus will be empowering the people to do what they need to do. And that's emotional in itself. It really is. That's what people need. They need the help, they need the tools, and they need to be empowered to do what they need to do.